wa barakatuh. My name is Fatima Begum. Today I am going to about Surah Fatiha. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-rahmanir rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Mariam Javid. Today I will say Indian lunch. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and well rated, I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents and teachers and all elders. I treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए, हो मैं हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए, हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की दीन जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत, जिंदगी हो मेरी परवान की सूरत यावत इल्म की शम्मा से। On behalf of our whole class, first N class teacher Mrs. Zahida, Hindi teacher Mrs. Hadra, myself Rida Mariam and my friend Hiba Firuz, we wish you all a very happy, refreshing day and a very good afternoon. Today we have all gathered here to commemorate the Safety Week. This day is celebrated across India to bring awareness among the masses to prevent accidents and mashups. We started our assembly by praying praise to Almighty, recitation of Surah Fatiha that was done by Fatima Begum. Pledge was taken by Mariam Javid. School song was done by Madiha Iram. It's time to proceed our assembly further by refreshing ourselves with a positive thought. Let's have it from Lesna. Good afternoon. Today I am going to tell you the positive thought. The thought goes like this: safety brings first aid to the uninjured. I repeat, safety brings first aid to the uninjured. Thank you. Good afternoon all. Let's carry our assembly forward by having few words about Safety Week in English followed in Hindi by Tita and Nabiha. Thank you guys.
Afternoon. All today we are all assembled here to commemorate the Safety Week. National Safety Day is celebrated to raise the awareness about safety measures. It prevents mishaps and accidents. Events helping the Safety Week are safety training session, safety road shows, etc.
मेरा नाम नबिया फातिमा है। मैं प्रथम कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। अध्यापिका और मेरे प्रिय सहेलियों, मेरे तरफ से आपको नमस्ते। आज मैं आपको बोलने जा रही हूँ सड़क सुरक्षा के नियम के बारे में बोलने जा रही हूँ। नंबर 1, गाड़ी चलाते टाइम नंबर 1, सड़क पर चलते टाइम दाएं बाएं देखकर चलना चाहिए ताकि दुर्घटना ना हो। नंबर 2 गाड़ी चलाते टाइम सीट बेल्ट
all. Do you know today we are assembly here for safety week assembly? Yes. So let me tell you some safety measures to be taken in Corona pandemic. As the pandemic going on, we should be taking so many safety measures for our well-being. Here goes the safety measures to keep you healthy and fit. When we go outside, we should wear mask. Washing our hands with soap and water is the best way to reduce the spread of germs. When we meet somebody, we should stand in a distance. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Good afternoon. As you know, today we are celebrating the Safety Week. Let me tell you some safety facts which is to be taken on the road. Always wear helmet. Never use mobile phone while driving. Always wear seat belt. Walk on the zebra crossing. Stop or slow down.
Good afternoon, this is Salma. Today we are having Safety Week Assembly. So it is necessary that we should now follow safety measurement in the home too. So let me tell you to be taken safety while in the home. Never open the door. Never open the door for unknown persons. Don't play with sharp objects. Do not play with fire. Avoid playing in the kitchen. Be cautious with electrical appliances. Do not talk to strangers when you are going to school. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Kulsum. I am studying in first class and today I am talking about the safety reminders. Walk straight to your seat. Sit with your legs facing forward. Speak in quiet voices. Keep the eyes clear. Always listen to the driver. Get on and off of the bus slowly and safely. If necessary, raise your hand to get the driver's attention. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Hanina. Today I will sing beautiful song about COVID-19. La la la, COVID-19 is a cruel virus, and let's kill that one. La la la, COVID-19 is a cruel virus, and let's break the chain. Let's break the chain. La la la, to beat that virus, stay home safely and break the chain. La la la, cool. Wash your hands. Rub your fingers. Clean your body. Don't forget to feed the virus. Wash your hands. Rub your fingers. Clean your body. Don't forget to be high and feed the virus. La la la. This is la la la. Respect nature. Salute the healthcare.
Sare del masjid wal aliya masjid li khaliq as-sama warfa ya khalfa dakhya an-nur al-musattar ad-dani Allah wa akbar ya
special